Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the farm. Well, the time has come. It's that sad part of the season where we realize that the end of summer and fall have arrived, and it's often a melancholy time of year. The fall exhales its last breath, and we dive into the deep, long, cold, gloomy winter. But before that happens, I hope you'll take 5 minutes and just go on a very quiet, still walk through nature and enjoy the last of the fall with me. Thank you everybody for taking a walk through the woods with me and listening to me play a really beautiful song called Her by Jacob Ladegaard. So the big question is, who is her? Who is she? We may never know. Could be a lost love, a missed connection, or an impossible situation. But either way, it seemed like a nice contemplative song for the final fall walk through the woods. It was a beautiful day, and they're all too short this time of year. By the time you see this, the leaves will have already gone, and the snow will have already started blowing. But just like in life, you have to take the good with the bad and find balance in everything. And I guess winter's not all bad. It gives time for some snowshoeing, for some new scenic walks through the woods, and maybe an opportunity for a new piano song as a background track. You never know. Some people have said they really like that. Some people would prefer not so much of that and keep the channel to the burly outdoor farm tasks. But like I said, balance in everything. There's a season for everything. So that's it for this video. So much more to come as winter starts and then rolls on. Tons of video to come. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.